to the grid, go to sites, and then your portfolio will pop up, which is right here, the one that we created. Let that open. Now you're in the editing. Now you can tell you're in the editing is when you see all these toolbars here. First things first. So we want to start adding things. The cover video, we're going to wait for the next video. So going up here, I'm going to go to my pages. I'm going to hit the arrow where it says home. I'm going to focus on the career section. So in this career section right here, what I want to do is I want to work on my resume. I want to add in the resume because it's going to work. And then the library, we are going to have lessons on how you guys will create and finalize your resume, and you're going to input it in here. Everything you're going to create, I want you to do it through Google. Through Google Drive, create all your documents, your spreadsheet. It's easier to link that way. So I hit the plus sign here. And I want to see all these options. You can upload on your desktop, select an image from your Drive, from YouTube, from Calendar, and a map. What we want is from Drive. See, it populates right over here. Last year, where we had the old portfolio, students had to open up the tab, look for stuff, copy the URL. It was a whole mess. It was too much. Right now, when you go in here, everything is in your fingertips. So I click on here. So remember, when you're creating anything, you have to title it. So I know I titled my document resume. So I have a resume here. So now it's there for me. All I had to do is just click on it twice or click on it once, and then it'll give you that. So let's say I had transcripts. So I hit the plus sign. I want to go for my Drive. I don't have transcripts in this file, so I'm just going to pick any document that I believe. Look at this handsome man right here. So let's say I pick this man for my transcripts. So I click on it once, and I can hit insert or just click on it twice. Either way, that's it. Very simple. So now all you have to do is make sure you have everything saved in your Drive so you can put things in. Let's see if we can go to the academics page. So I click on academics, loads up, but for math you had a video. You had a CPM video. So I click on that. So I'll go to YouTube. Now, if you have a YouTube that you uploaded yourself, you put it in here. Make sure that you upload it and you save it to your SDUSD Learns channel, which will be your ID number at SUSD Learns. So you sign into SUSD Learns and then go to YouTube. That's how you create it. But let's say I don't have one, and I want to put in a video that my partners and we did a video on frogs. And when you guys are doing videos, try to keep it under 4 minutes if possible. Because when we interview students, it's not just one. We interview multiple students. So we want you guys to keep it minimal, okay? So let's say this is the video I want, or you clicked on the video that you created. Then I hit select. So the great thing about this, guys, is now it's uploaded. When you guys go to the published site, which I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And then you go to your caption section. All you do is after title, you're going to highlight it and put in the name of the title. Mine's going to be frogs. And what course did I do this in? It was in math. So I'm just going to say we did data on frogs. And it was in my Algebra 1 class. Algebra 1. And there it is. And then project description is describe the project. Literally describe it. So you can say the video was a group project. We gathered data on the flight of frogs. We used the ratio and speed formula to get our findings. We found that frogs have higher jumps or flights when they are lighter. So that will be your description. That's all you have to do. So remember, you just click on the box, highlight what you need to highlight, and then type after it. So the word title, course, and project description stays the same. The next section that we're going to focus on is your community service section right here. In your community service reflection, you're going to hit inside the box when you are editing. In there was total hours completed. You're going to highlight and put how many hours you completed. And what locations did you assist in? You're going to put it here. And then you're going to write your reflection right after where it says reflection. And make sure it's at least 150 words that you put in here. And then this plus sign right here, you can upload an image of you at the event. You can upload an image of the organization. You can upload a video of you working there. Either way, make sure that you have either a picture or a video evidence here along with it. You fill out your community service log in the community service tab of the Google Classroom. So every time you make a change, guys, you have to hit publish. So once you hit publish, it's going to lead you to a review page. So this was what currently was before we made any changes. And now this is the stuff we've added. That's why it's called a draft. Now it's asking you, are you ready to publish? Yes, I looked at my draft. It's good to go. I hit publish. Now it's publishing. So the great thing about this is now you can also preview it of what a viewer is looking at. So when you are previewing it, all you have to do is hit this computer icon. You click on the computer icon where it says preview. Click on that. Once you hit preview, now you are going to see what the viewer sees when they're looking at your portfolio. If you notice right here, here's the math project that we put in. Page, all they have to do, or clicking on links to open something, is right in front of them. They just have to hit play, and it plays for them. Next thing is, go to your navigation up here. Let's go to career. Remember those documents we added in career? So here's the lovely gentleman we met, and here's the resume. Here's a really great thing, guys. The people who are looking at your resume, they can use these arrows to go up and down, side to side. If they found it too small of a text, they can always click it, and it opens in full into the next page. Okay, that's it for editing, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.